Yo guys, Ryan here. Interesting fact, I just recorded this entire video with my microphone plugged in the headphone slot. So this is just a short video on my 3-step process for how I actually grow as a freelancer. So after 4 years of making videos, I realized I'm investing in skills, in leveling up, in becoming better at my craft, but I've also become the bottleneck in my own business, because every time I want to outsource a project, or if I get too much work or too many options come in, there's not really many people who have done the level of investment in themselves, in their skills, as I have, so it's hard to outsource. And even if I found someone to the level that I'm at, because I have spent 4 years making video ads for businesses, then it's probably going to not be cost effective, or I'm going to have to charge the client way more just to get somebody else to do it. So if you're a designer, an editor, an animator, here's what I do currently to add more income and to grow as a freelancer. Step number 1 is to over deliver on your client projects. Do less projects and spend more time on them. So even if you could do 2 $500 videos in one day, maybe spend twice as much time on the one $500 video, because eventually that video quality and that testimonial is going to help you get a $2,000 client down the line. So you always want to be thinking long term about these skills compounding. Now step 2, when you do have that higher quality video and you do have that testimonial, you use that, you post it on all platforms as social proof, and it's also going to get you more demand, and when you have more demand you can put the prices up. Now obviously your prices are going to hit a ceiling. There's going to be a limit to how much you can reasonably charge. I mean, you can charge whatever you want and some people will buy it, but there's still a sort of benchmark. So right now I charge $1,500, maybe $2,000. That could be like a 1 to 3 minute video ad. Maybe they speak to the camera, maybe I edit or design. 1,500, 2,000 max is really what I'm doing to charge someone to write a script, they record a video, then I edit and chop it up. But when I'm not working, that's not making me money. I'm still only making money if I'm working. So what I do is step 3, I take the experience that I've got, I can create courses. How to create a good course is probably something I'll keep for another video. But what you can do is you can create a course on Skillshare or Udemy, but try to keep the courses just one desired result. For instance, at the moment, I'm creating those Hormozy style reels for my own business, for other businesses. So I've got a Hormozy style reels course. This means whenever I create content that looks like that, people can always buy my course, and that's going to add that extra level of revenue. Udemy doesn't work as well as Skillshare for me. I've got Skillshare to just over $1,000 a month, and eventually I want to get Skillshare to $3,000 a month, and that is going to give me enough freedom that I can spend more time creating stuff that I actually want, which gets me closer to living the life that I actually want to live. But as long as I am just being the workhorse, making the videos, I'm going to be the own bottleneck in the business. The process again is 1, you spend more time making quality projects. 2, you use those projects and testimonials to get you higher paying clients. Then when you buy yourself some time, you use those skills and that time to create courses that you can put on Skillshare or Udemy or your own website, so that grows your audience, builds you a list of people that you can sell to in future, and takes you further away from relying on doing that work. It also helps you generate leads to get more clients, etc, etc. The ultimate point is, if you are the one doing all the work in your business, you are the bottleneck. If you can't easily copy and paste what you do and train someone else and grow it like an agency, if you're investing all your time and energy and you getting better, you're gonna get stuck like I did. Now I found how to use those skills to create courses, to send more traffic. I actually have options and I'm buying myself more time. When you have a course, you need 2 things really. You need your course, your offer, or your landing page, and then you need eyeballs. So my week will typically be, I want 1 client video for $1,000, $1,500. Then I work on promoting my existing courses and I create content. So content like this, that I can take the message of this, I'll break this down, I'll put this into short form content, hit all platforms with it. Then I've got a YouTube video, a Facebook reel, Instagram reel, a Twitter video, all pointing towards those courses. If you like this video, best way to support me is hit like and subscribe, because when I get to 1,000 subscribers and I get monetized, I can make money from another income source, and when I do, I'm going to tell you all about it. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Appreciate your support. I've been Ryan, I will be next time, and I'll see you in the next one.